Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your iPhone is updated and you have your Google username and password ready. Open Settings, tap Mail, then Accounts, and choose Add Account. Select Google and follow the on-screen sign-in. Grant Mail and Contacts access when prompted so Gmail can sync. Once done, make sure Background App Refresh is enabled for Mail in Settings so new messages arrive reliably. This initial sequence connects your Apple Mail framework to Gmail. Now configure what you want to sync and how. In Settings, Mail accounts your Google account. Toggle Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes on or off depending on need. Tap Fetch New Data to choose Push when available, or select a fetch interval, like every 15 or 30 minutes to save battery. Make Gmail your default account under Settings Mail if you prefer composing from that address. These choices control what data flows to your iPhone and how often it updates. Finish by opening the Mail app and pulling down to refresh. Confirm your inbox and labels appear and that new messages arrive. If Mail doesn't sync, first toggle the account off and on in Settings or sign out and re-add the Google account to reset permissions. Make sure there are no Google security prompts waiting in your browser or the Google app, and verify two-step verification isn't blocking access. If problems persist, check network connectivity and background app refresh. These often fix intermittent sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.